Want to stop your iPhone from automatically updating apps? If you'd rather choose when your apps get updated, you can turn off automatic updates in just a few taps. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now, select App Store. Under the Automatic Downloads section, you'll see an option called App Updates. If it's turned on, your iPhone will automatically install new app updates whenever they're available. Simply tap the toggle next to App Updates to turn it off. Once it's disabled, your apps will no longer update automatically. From now on, you'll need to update your apps manually. To do that, open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down to see all available updates. You can tap Update next to individual apps, or choose Update All if you want to install everything at once. And that's it! You've successfully turned off automatic app updates on your iPhone and now have full control over when your apps get updated.